You got it. That's not gonna happen, sorry. Next time, we'll play it. I appreciate that though. Yeah. You were there from the beginning, weren't you? Appreciate that. You were 3. When that song came out, you were 3. It's probably true, right? There you go. So you were 6. That's good. Alright. Alright, let's wake up and read.
Little darling, don't you cry. Even California's cold sometimes. We can make it, we gotta try. Baby, I believe in California rain. Yeah. Yeah. And let me take you back before the lights, before the crowd, before we made a sound. All I wanted was to make my mother proud. She told me, son, we're from the side of town. No one ever makes it out. Before we created, before they hated, before anyone anticipated, we just wanted to make it. They said you're crazy, nothing's ever changing. So I packed up all my things and headed out towards the ocean. In my imagination, California's waiting. She'll take me by the hand, say hello, I'm so glad you finally made it. Here comes the rain. Little darling, don't you cry. Even California's cold sometimes. We can make it, we gotta try. Baby, I believe the summer's waiting on the other side. There's no limit, we can touch the sky. Something so bad that you can taste it, perceive it till you make it. And you know when you got it, no one else could ever take it. When I met her, she was easy, she was happy just to live it. She never wanted nothing, just something to believe in. When the storms start raging, from all the tribulations, when the fire stops fading, you just gotta recreate it. In my imagination, California's waiting. She'll take me by the hand, say hello, I'm so glad you finally made it. Here comes the rain. Little darling, don't you cry. Even California's cold sometimes. We can make it, we gotta try. Baby, I believe the summer's waiting on the other side.